So we're going to see Gayatri. She lives really close to downtown in Bentonville.
My name is Gayatri Agnew. I live in North Bentonville. It's myself and it's my two amazing children. The house I bought with my ex-husband, when my husband and I decided to separate, and he was great about it, he knew how important this house was to me. And as the kids have gotten bigger, it's just a really impractical layout. So I am wildly optimistic about having Dave and Jenny come in and renovate the house.
What are we working with as far as
Budget. We do have to pay for this. So $195.
Okay.
That's pretty healthy.
Yeah. What do you like about the house? What do you not like?
I like very little about the outside. No, I mean, it's a beautiful home. I just, like, not matching brick. Like, what are we doing here?
Yeah.
It just, like, feels very...
Right. There's a lot going on. So the plan out here really is just to create some consistency, whitewashing the brick, getting you a new front door, and new landscaping.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
It's big. Except I'm curious what's happening in here.
I'll explain it.
I love this.
There's a little bit of a backstory.
Look at this. So cute.
This was my husband's office.
Okay.
And I started painting, and then my kids wanted to be involved in the painting.
Oh, that's cool.
And they really went for it.
Very nice, very artistic.
But I am very excited for the first time ever to have an actual home office.
We will find a way to incorporate the kids' artwork somehow.
That'd be brilliant.
Let's check out the rest of your house.
All right. I mean, like, this part I love, right? Like, the high ceilings.
Right.
It just feels very dark,
I was gonna
right?
just say, it's such an open space and yet it feels dark. I will say, if we're trying to brighten everything, I would take this floor a shade lighter, just because once your floor is lighter,
yeah, I'd be
gonna bring
super
all of that
open
light.
to that.
So new flooring on the stairs, new lighting, paint and brighten everything up to modernize it. Okay, so dining room.
What's up with the map?
I love maps. This is a map of Arkansas.
I love it. Now, how long have you lived in Arkansas?
8 years.
Okay.
I was born and raised outside of Arkansas, but my kids are from,
Yeah.
my family's from Arkansas right
That's
now.
awesome.
So
Yeah.
So
Same with
this
all
is
of
their
our kids.
home.
Yeah.
This is their home.
I love that. Okay, so dining room plan. We're gonna get rid of the red. We're gonna get you some new lighting. We are going to keep the same flooring consistent throughout the house. Find a way to incorporate your love of maps, whether it's in this space or somewhere in your home. We'll figure something out.
Love
I
it.
don't know what,
Love
but
it.
we'll figure it out.
That'd be great.
So living room next?
There's a lot going on in this living room.
Well, it's our everything room. So, like, my kids live in this space.
The kitchen is on the other side of this room.
It's hiding. You can't see it
That's
because
a
it is
problem.
obstructed by a gigantic stone fireplace.
This is just a very heavy, imposing wall.
For me, this is just like an obstruction.
Okay, so we'll get rid of this.
Needs
That'd
to
be
go.
great.
Let's go.
It's just a lot of wood. I'm here, I'm cooking, and then what happens?
Yeah.
I can show you guys, like,
Yeah.
evidence on,
Yeah.
so, like, no, this has got to go.
Also, I love this up here. This kitchen is for dancing.
We dance a lot in this kitchen.
I love that.
We
That's
really,
what a
we really
kitchen's
do.
for.
Yeah, I mean, it's just, kitchen should be fun.
Okay, here's the plan for the kitchen. This peninsula is going to go away. So it's
Yeah.
gonna be opened up, which will allow for an island. And we are gonna figure out a way to ensure that you have plenty of storage space. We're going to make this a colorful, warm kitchen where you
Yeah.
can dance.
All right, so is there anything else?
Yeah,
The deck.
okay.
Out back.
Please don't let this be the moment someone falls through. It's an old deck. It just needs to go. Beyond that, I would love it if it wasn't, like, caged in.
So update the deck, eliminate the handrail, and create some tiered steps down to the pool, and then kind of fun, entertaining area.
Amazing.
All right.
Incredible.
I love it.
This is cool. All right,
right.
you have a lot of moving to do.
I do.
We have
I do.
well, we have to gear up because it's a big project. Got the wrecking crew.
This is
We brought the
serious.
horsepower.
The biggest thing that needs to happen today is this gigantic fireplace is coming out. So,
The whole thing?
yes, this whole wall is coming out, opening up.
Rob?
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Rob, be careful! Rob, no! Whoa, whoa, whoa! That wall is turning out out to be a lot more, I think, than we thought.
Watch your toes.
Oh! Literal wall just goes down and smashes on the floor.
Let's talk kitchen. Okay, so this kitchen
Has been demoed.
but this wall is actually going away. So this kitchen is for Gayatri and her two kiddos. And she used to have this sign here, and it was all these bright colors, and that is the inspiration for this kitchen. It's gonna be a kitchen to dance in. So cabinetry, fridge, island, and the crown jewel, we're giving her a bright pink range. And I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited.
Hey, that's awesome.
Amazing.
I'm
'Cause you know
excited too,
what?
because you scared me at first. Whenever you start talking like that, normally that means hours and hours and
No,
hours
it's
of worth
no
of
work
work
for you.
me.
It's just a pink range. It's gonna be so
I
cool.
love it.
Because I would love a pink range, but Dave would never let me do it.
Oh, come on now. I bet you could twist his arm.
Oh, I don't think so. The thing she dislikes the most is the stucco.
Okay.
What I think we should do is cover the stucco with brick and then German schmear the whole thing. So we only have brick and stone instead of brick, stone, and stucco. That's gonna help make it more cohesive. And then from there, maybe we do some shutters on these two windows, replace the landscaping. I would love to get a copper overhang because then it'd give it some warmth that would break up all the schmear. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit you so hard.
All right, I like it. This right here will open it up a ton. Oh yeah, it looks so good.
It's already starting to look brighter and so much better outside. We've removed the old deck out back, added brick over the stucco up front, and tied it together by finishing off the German schmear all over the house. Inside, we removed all the dark brown tile in the kitchen and replaced it with brand new hardwood flooring that ties in with the rest of the home. This is the color of the dining room. And just think, in the kitchen, you got the bright pink range. So lots of fun colors. So, I mean, the range is a little crazy.
The range is ridiculous.
Everything else is like very earth tone, very subtle.
Are you sure she's gonna like the pink range?
Gayatri loves vibrant colors, and there is nothing more vibrant than a pink range.
We will see. I trust you. I do.
She's gonna love it. And if she doesn't, you blame it on me.
100%.
If she loves it, you take credit.
Yeah, I'm your husband.
I'm your husband.
That's what I do. All right, let's get some cabinets set.
What's your mom's favorite color? These two kids have a lot of creativity. I'm gonna have them paint a piece of art for their mom. So I think it's really special, and I know she'll love it.
I learned how to draw this from a video.
Oh, cool. Have you ever been to the Eiffel Tower?
No,
Do you want to go to the Eiffel Tower?
yes, badly.
We're adding some brick, we are smearing, and there's one statement piece on the front, and that is this copper roof on that little kick out from the office. This copper is about $1,000 a sheet for this 4x8 sheet. It's really expensive, so you don't want to mess up.
Looks like a big slide. That's gonna look so good.
We're finishing up landscaping in both the front and the backyard. I asked my friend Buddy to meet me for a built-in art piece in the living room. So this is the spot.
All right.
Of his style of art and the way he can take kind of an idea and make it into something really unique and beautiful. I'll let you get started.
All right.
Get to work. I love it.
Thank
okay,
you, Jeannie.
Bye. We're putting fixtures in and getting appliances installed, including the pink range.
That
Holy cow.
is pink. The color is just so unique. I mean,
That is one word for it, yes.
unique.
Whew. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh! Whose house is this? Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, it's beautiful. It fixed all the things that I needed. I love this house.
So now it all just flows.
And the white.
You like
How
it?
did you make it white? It was so dark before.
So dark, yes.
It looks like a completely different house.
It does. And it looks bigger to me also, doesn't
Oh, the
it?
kids are gonna freak out.
Okay,
They're
good.
just
I'm
gonna be
excited.
like,
Yay.
my gosh, I am into that copper.
Yeah,
Isn't that cool?
fun?
Isn't that cool?
Yes, just gorgeous. And the landscaping is so much cleaner and beautiful, and it's amazing. Ah! Oh my gosh! I am completely speechless. This is gorgeous. This is like a totally different place. That color, love it.
Good.
You
Oh, I'm
nailed
so glad.
it.
Yay. Okay, good.
It just feels warm and bright, like
Yes.
you want to sit down and have a meal.
And there's wallpaper on the ceiling, because why not? Because it's
why
fun.
not? And it's such fun wallpaper.
Yay!
And the floors,
Aren't they nice?
they're amazing. It's like the whole house just grew up while I was away. Just like grew up into an actual adult home, and it's gorgeous. The banister is just, it's like fresh and simple.
And Dave
It's-
made it.
Yeah, welded that one up for you. So I wanted something
Just
that
some
was.
casual welding on the weekend.
Jenny wanted something that was more modern, but still looked really clean.
Yay, I'm glad
Beautiful.
you like it. Now, what if we go check out your office?
That would be
Wanna do that?
amazing.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
let's do that, please. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. This office. Oh. Oh, what is this? Oh.
Had the kids make you a little art because we took their art off the wall, so I had to put some back.
Somehow they like look professional and sophisticated in this office.
Really
Oh,
good. They did a great job.
absolutely perfect. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I keep coming back to the fact that the walls are white, and so the whole house just feels bright and
Yes.
alive and not sad and brown.
Dark and brown.
Ugh. Oh, what is this?
I don't know if you can see, like, there's crystal bridges
yes,
and
I
downtown
can.
and all of the little monuments from our area.
I can see all of it. The thoughtfulness of that art is just amazing.
And there's no more fireplace. Remember the fireplace was
Wow,
there.
I was noticing that and starting to get very excited. The openness of this space is kind of blowing my mind. The pink stove! I'm so nervous. No, you nailed it with the
Are you
pink
serious?
Absolutely, absolutely. The pink stove? I didn't even know there was a thing that could happen.
I actually didn't know either. I did some research and I found it.
Look at her. I'm gonna name
Look at her. Look at her.
I'm gonna name her.
Oh, what should we name her?
Probably
Me.
Ophelia.
Oh, Ophelia.
She's like a legend.
Oh my gosh.
I knew she'd love the pink stove. I told you not to doubt my pink stove.
I need to go back
Yeah.
and see my whole kitchen again.
Remember the sign you had
Yes,
above the
yes.
mantle and it said, the kitchen's for dancing. So all of those colors were
Yeah.
the inspiration for this kitchen with the yellow and the light green and then the bright pink.
It's fun and it's pretty.
And then you still have a nice little sitting area, a breakfast nook, because you have your big dining room, but you still have a nice breakfast nook.
This built-in nook, though, is just amazing.
Yeah. I think everything in this house feels unique and happy. And that's what we sensed from you and your kids.
That's
Yes.
what I wanted,
100%.
and you nailed it. Oh. Should we go outside?
Yes, let's go.
Here we go outside. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so open. Oh my gosh, it's so different. Wow, this is like a different yard. I love these steps. This is exactly, because it makes the pool the focal
Yes.
point of the backyard
Exactly.
instead of the awkward, weird red porch.
Yes.
And
Oh.
your amazing view. I mean, it opens up the
Yes,
whole
look
view.
at this.
Oh my gosh.
You have a great lot. It's amazing.
This is incredible. I love it so much. The joy in the pink stove will come for decades to come.
Yay,
I
so
can't
glad.
even tell you. It's now a warm, homey, happy, joyful house. What do you guys think?
This probably looks like a small mansion.
It feels exactly how I wanted it to feel.
What is this? This just went from tiny to extreme.